Hi everyone, today we will study Korean conversations at pharmacies. Let's start studying.
어디가 불편하세요?
Where are you feel uncomfortable? They mostly omit pronouns.
머리가 아픕니다.
Have a headache.
기침을 하시나요?
Are you coughing?
네, 기침도 하고 열도 납니다.
I have a cough and a fever.
아픈 지 얼마나 되셨죠?
How long have you been sick?
이틀 됐습니다.
It's been 2 days.
감기 약입니다. 식사 후 2알씩 드세요.
It's cold medicine. Take 2 tablets after every meal.
감사합니다.
Thank you. On the next page, check out the script. Listen carefully and follow along.
어디가 불편하세요?
Where are you feel uncomfortable?
머리가 아픕니다.
I have a headache. You can change the painful place from head to lead, and so on. In Korean, muri and dari.
기침을 하시나요?
Are you coughing?
네, 기침도 하고 열도 납니다.
I have a cough and a fever.
아픈 지 얼마나 되셨죠?
How long have you been sick?
이틀 됐습니다.
It's been 2 days.
감기약입니다. 식후에 2알씩 드세요.
It's cold medicine. Take 2 tablets after every meal.
감사합니다.
Thank you. Did you find a Korean command sentence in this conversation? Yes, that is, take tablets in Korean, diseyo. They used ending suffix to make a sentence of command. In Korean, hara is used for casual expression. You can see the example.
이것을 해라.
In Korean, haseyo is used for formal expression.
이것을 하세요.
In Korean, hasibsyo is used for polite expressions.
이것을 하십시오.
Korean verbs are divided into basic, casual, formal, and polite forms.
하다, 해라. 하세요, 하십시오. 들다, 들어라. 드세요, 드십시오.
Dealda is same as mukdak. Command statements can be created using rod, haseyo, and hasibsyo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe.